Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to buy Apple gift card on Amazon. So I'm using an Android device, but I will be showing you the procedure on how can you buy Apple gift card on your iPhone on Amazon. So what you have to do is on your iPhone you simply want to open up the amazon.com, and next you have to navigate to the gift card section. So that's usually located with the U section. So click that out, and here you'll then be taken to this field, right? You're going to click on accounts from the list. After you go to accounts, here you'll be able to see list of options. So you have to scroll down a bit and you have to go and look for Amazon gift or something like that. So here you have this add card to your balance. So you could go and click this out, or you'll be able to find something similar such as gift card section. Then you have to choose the Apple gift card and then select the desired amount you want to pay with your credit or debit card or even Apple Pay. So after completing the purchase, the e-gift card will be delivered instantly via email or text, or the physical card can be made. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.